Hi, cat. Hi, cat. Another cat. Cat. What? So what are the names?
Tiggs and Alice.
Tiggs and Alice. And why are they called Tiggs and Alice?
That one was Tigger, but then I don't know. We just started calling her Tiggs, and then Alice was just her name before we got her. That's what she knows.
Oh, she was adopted.
Yeah, she was adopted.
I moved to 2 3DSs because I had trouble with the one. Still not having any luck though. So I'm definitely on a diet, but I really like Taco Bell, and I let myself have a cheat day once a week. So Taco Bell's that day, and it's that meal. I took a week off of life. I'm just gonna be chilling, going for walks, playing some games, binge watching some shows, and hanging out with family most importantly, because I never get to do that enough. This video will just be a compilation of fun little things that I do this week, snippets of my life, my week off of everything. And hopefully you guys enjoy it. Nice. This is me on vacation. Walking around, petting cats, playing games. Yep. So far away. And on they go into the distance. That's a swan. Can't zoom in anymore. That's a swan. This is like National Geographic. Watching the swan in its natural habitat. Its head comes out of the water. Oh, back in. Oh, the grass is wet and gross. This was a bad idea. Oh, that's gross. Oh, kitty cat. I totally, like, don't miss having cats, but...
They're pretty cute.
Yeah. This cat could be my new best friend. I don't have a lot of friends. Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, that's good. It's Friday night, and we're still going at this, off and on. It's craziness. Just want my shiny Celebi. It's not happening right now.
Figures. The best person in our family, and she's not in our family.
I just clicked it. Oh, there, I can click the wrong button. There we go. I forgot how to transform.
It's actually been a literal eternity since my two sisters and I have played Smash 5.
Okay.
We're honestly just terrible at the game compared to literally anyone else that plays the game competitively.
I don't understand what's happening. Oh! I fell into the water.
You know what though? It's okay. Because sometimes life isn't about winning. Sometimes it's just about enjoying the time you have with your loved ones, even if it's having fun playing Smash and having no idea what you're actually doing.
You haven't played in a while. Guys, give me a chance. I haven't played in forever. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
What are the odds that that phone call is something important?
It's probably not. It's probably Blaze. It's not that it's not important, but it tells me all the time.
Also, when you have a small sibling rivalry when it comes to certain things, not losing does go a long way. And it's Saturday and we're still doing this. Still going strong. Still nothing. How long have these cats for?
How long we had them for?
Yeah.
Like 4 years. I think it's been like 4 years. They're like 4 years old.
The cat's licking my leg.
Tiggs, you're being a little weird.
Aren't cats just weird?
Yeah, they are. They're very unique. What Alice?
What's this for?
It has catnip in it.
Cat.
Catnip.
I've really warmed up to this cat. Honestly, I just love it. It's my new best friend. I may have to steal it from my sisters. Only time will tell. This cat is really just like the best cat I've ever seen. That made my day a little bit.
Tiggs just wants to eat.
It's Sunday now, and we're still going through hundreds of attempts every day on both DSs. And still nothing.
Pretty views, Mario.
Something I tend to miss during the winter is the ability to go on these walks. Just to observe nature, get some exercise, really enjoy the world for what it is. My goal is I want to cover at least one trail a week. Now, there might not be that many trails to discover and that many trails that can be walked because of everything going on in the world, but I really want to make a solid effort to make this a goal and just start going walking some more. I hope you guys enjoy all the footage.
More views now.
Are there any activities that you personally love to do when the spring and summer hit? Leave it in the comments to let me know. Give me that.
Yes.
Both looking for somebody to fix.
It's Monday. Vacation's almost over. Let's see if we can get Shiny Celebi today. No, still nothing. Oh, that's great.
You like the fluffy ball on the camera. She just thinks it's a toy.
That's really cool. Oh. Alright, this is my last Celebi check. It's Tuesday. Going back to resuming life. We'll see if this one is it. Oh well, I'll get you one day, Shiny Celebi, you wait.